So the first thing I want to do with the image, uploading image HTML form. And file upload, PHP, HTML input accept attribute. And form action, file, name, accept, image. That's not quite what I'm looking for, accept attribute. Input type file. So MDN is a good source for your documentation for looking at HTML. It's probably the best source. And input elements with type file let the user choose one or more files from their device. Storage. Once chosen, the files can be uploaded to server using form submission or manipulated using JavaScript. So here we have input type text, input type file, accept, image, right? So we're saying what we can accept. And I don't see the rest of the form where ink type is specified. And so I'm just going to search ink. And there's a couple of, okay, here. Method post ink type multi-part form data. File, file name, name, file, multiple, input type. So you could, I guess, upload multiple files. Let me just look here. If no file is yet selected, the string is empty. Multi-part files are selected. The string represents the first selected file. String is prefixed with to prevent malicious software from guessing the user's file structure. Additional attributes. Using file inputs. We'll do this. Regardless of the user's device, the file input provides a button. Multiple files can be chosen at once. So here, each file object contains the file following information: the name, the file's name, last modified, number specifying the date and time which the file is last modified. So each file object contains the following info: last modified date, size, type, the file's MIME type. Multipurpose is a standardized way to indicate the nature and format of a document. Browsers use MIME type to determine how to process a document. So type, subtype is the general structure. So we have image JPEG, right? So the MIME type, or text HTML. So that's cool. That totally helped me understand MIME type. Text plain, right? These are the different MIME types. And MIME is multipurpose internet mail extension. Multipurpose internet mail extension. And then how's that MIME type fit in? We'll see that maybe. That'll become a little bit more clear. Limiting accepted file type, so you can limit what's accepted. Accept image PNG or accept.png. Ink type multi-part form data. File, profile pic, accept JPEG, PNG. Examples. Goes on for quite a ways. I like this one here though. So we'll play with that one. And the MIME type, here, right? Content type text HTML. Char set UTF-8, so the character set. And we learned that MIME type is looking for content. Application octet stream. This is the default value for a binary file. an unknown binary file. So content type multi-part form data, content type image JPEG. All right. Well, that was just like a little bit of tour through stuff. We'll start coding it in the next video.